Hey guys, another video. I keep being proud of myself when I actually film and edit videos for YouTube. On to what this video is actually about. I'm going to be doing a different style of vlog. My vibe has changed. What I like has changed. And the style of vlog that I enjoy nowadays is more chill and laid back. You get a real feel for the person's personality rather than me putting on a show. I feel sweaty. It's supposed to be going into winter. Why is it hot? Maybe I'm nervous. What I thought I would do is fill you in on what my last month or couple of months has been like for 2021. I wanted to do a little get ready with me because I've been getting a lot of questions about what I'm doing on my face. If you followed me for a while, you know what I'm talking about. In any update, I'm doing my makeup. And I think it's just because I want to be calm and eased into it rather than like sitting there looking deep into your eyes and being like, oh my gosh, I'm pregnant. Guys, I'm not pregnant. That is absolutely not the news that you're getting today. No. It's not on the cards for me right now. I'm not sure if I want it to be on the cards at all. I did my hair using the L'Oreal Steampod. This is not an ad. I am still working with them, but this feature is not an ad. I love this. I think my hair looks really sleek and beautiful and it feels super soft as well. I curled it slightly, not really. I wasn't intending to curl it. I was more just like doing my hair. And I just did a little bit of a flick. Okay, I'm gonna jump in, officially jump in. We are moving. We are actually moving and I'm very excited about it. We have been looking at places for, I think about a month and a half, 2 months. I've got SPF and a little bit of bronzing liquid, which I mixed together and try not to get onto my white t-shirt that's new. What I thought might be fun to do is create a video just talking about how I looked for an apartment in Cape Town. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that because I feel like I would die to see a Cape Town version of all of these like searching for New York apartment vlogs. Moving vlogs are back. Moving vlogs are coming back. I've started making all the plans for our move. I booked our movers this week. I am going to book boxes. More on that later. We are having to buy some furniture. So when we moved into this place, shout out to those of you that have been around since then, or even before then when I lived in my beautiful Kenilworth apartment. You guys don't know that it was in Kenilworth. The 4-bedroom, like incredibly beautiful, has amazing light apartment. That was just too big for Sean and I, and we decided to go a little bit more minimalist, and by a little bit I mean actually quite a lot minimalist, because we moved from a 4-bedroom apartment into a loft apartment. Didn't even say this in any of my videos. Sean's started a new job and it is finally in town. His previous job was in the southern suburbs, so we've always stayed this side. We're moving to town. So with the new apartment, I will definitely be doing an empty apartment tour. And also, if you guys are looking for a loft apartment, so if you're someone that is maybe downsizing or you're moving out for the first time with your partner or even by yourself, it's been beautifully renovated. I will link my empty apartment tour for this place up on whatever corner it is. I've been doing YouTube for years and I still don't know. I will leave a link for this apartment. We're wanting to buy a new couch. If you have any ideas of good furniture places that I don't know of, I've got an idea of what I want to do for the lounge and specifically for the couch. I feel like most places have like a 12-week waiting list. We're moving in like 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks. I don't have that much time. I was looking at Sofa Company because I love the style of their couches. It's kind of modern. I'm also looking at the new range at Corrector because Corrector have just recently brought out some more like modern Scandinavian looking couches. But anyway, if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. So the reason that we're moving perfectly overlaps with my updates. We have been spending so much time in town. Just because Sean is working that side, we have one car. So I've been going to a lot of coffee shops that side. I will sit there, get coffee, get snacks, and I will work for the entire day. I'll just put my AirPods in. And I feel like I work best in a coffee shop because I can kind of zone out. And I like the fact that there's like a buzz around me. I like working at Rosetta. The staff are wonderful. The space is beautiful. The Wi-Fi is also good. I've mentioned this on my Instagram, but I have been walking a lot. I made a pact with myself. In January, I did 1 walk per week and I wanted to feel like I could enjoy exercise again and I could just move my body and feel comfortable without the pressure of having a goal weight in mind. What does it hurt to go on lovely walks outside where I feel connected with nature? It helps with my mental health, it helps to move my body, and I don't feel any insane pressure. I listen to a podcast while I'm walking. I love it so much. I've also gotten some more active wear. So this is the kind of makeup look that I've been doing recently. Very chill, very easy. And I won't even wear mascara most days because I got a brow tint and thread because how great my brows look. I love Lashcore. And then I also had my lashes tinted and I did a lash lift. The day I had my brows and lashes done, we went camping, which is very surprising to me because I'm not a camping person. But the reason we went was for my friend David's 30th, and it was wonderful. It was really nice to kind of be outside and be in nature and wake up with the sound of birds and rushing water. And we swam. Our friends have 3 beautiful girls, and so we had our friends along with us, and it was just really fun to connect with our friends and enjoy nature and just feel like calm, but also have a lot of fun. I did a couple of walks while we were away as well. Another cool thing that happened this month is that I went to an event. I haven't been to an event in ages. It actually feels weird to say that I was outside at an actual event with people. It wasn't in my lounge where I'm wearing like sweatpants on the bottom and then a shirt on top at a Zoom event. I'm not a fan of Zoom events, but I know this is the time that we're in. But I went to a beautiful poetry event and it was really fun to connect with some of my favorite people and to just see like what's coming out in the new season. This is actually from poetry. I spoke about this on my stories a little while ago, and it's quite thick. You literally cannot see my bra. I was wearing a blue bra the other day and you couldn't see it at all. My mom turned 50. I know that's young for a mom that has like a kid that's 30. My sister's turning 30 this year and I'm turning 29. Oh my gosh, 29? If you don't know where that's from, I probably look insane, but if you do know, we can be friends. So mom turned 50 and we did a little staycation and it was really fun. We stayed over at the Pineapple House in Sea Point. It was so beautiful. I'm gonna put in a little room tour over here so you guys can see what the space is about because it is incredible. Another thing we did for my mom's birthday, this was on her actual 50th birthday, is when I say we, I mean my sister and I booked her a full day package for Babylonstoren at the spa. The spa is so beautiful. I cannot even tell you. If you want to pamper someone, if you want to pamper yourself, actually it's Mother's Day this weekend. If this video goes up in time, if you want to book your mom something incredible, book her a full day spa package at Babylonstoren. It's not cheap, but it is incredible. I cannot tell you how incredible it is. I love that space so much. I'm already planning like 2 different trips, one with Sean, actually 3. One with Sean, one with my sister, and one with my girlfriends because we want to go and get some treatments done and chill at the pool. It was so good. It was so good. I was so happy the entire day. So yeah, if you really want to treat someone, Babylonstoren Spa is the place to do it. Okay, that's it. I have done my kind of chilled version of an April vlog. I would like to vlog more kind of like day in the life, fun things that are happening, but also a normal kind of work day for me, even if I'm at home the whole day, because in all honesty, I think what you see online of being a content creator is completely different to what it actually is. I spend majority of my time without pants on in like a t-shirt or a shirt and no bra, which is probably why my boobs are just gravitating down. It is what it is. It's fine. Okay, so coming back from gravity taking its toll on my boobs, we are going to be doing more vlogs. I'm very excited about it. And I hope that you guys are excited to see more of what my life is actually like and to get back into vlogs. I know a lot of you have said you've missed them and the moving vlogs are coming. I'm very excited about that. There'll be a lot more regular content coming up. The next video, I promise you, is an apartment update. And I want to show you what it's looking like now before we move into our new place. That will also include a little bit of a haul. I bought something very exciting. I'm so excited to show you guys. Anyway, so yeah, that is it from me. Check out my Instagram where I share more regular updates like hauls, life things, a lot of different stuff. Basically, if you're not following me on Instagram, I would suggest that you do. It's quite fun over there. And if you're not subscribed, then please do. And if you enjoyed this new kind of style of vlog, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps to kind of share it with the rest of the world and to get other people into this little community that we have of wonderful people. I hope that you guys have a good day and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.